Hey, what's going on? It's Danny here, and I want to know if you are someone who has not started your fitness journey because you are in fear of it. Are you someone who is scared to walk through the gym doors? You feel like you're not in shape enough to even go there. You don't know what to do on the equipment. You have no idea where to start, and therefore you've done nothing. Are you someone who has been scared to contact a trainer because you don't even know what questions to ask? You're not even really sure what it is that your goal is. You just know that you need to get on a healthier track. Here's the thing. You may be in fear over this situation, but I'm going to tell you right now that this fear that you're feeling, it is a small fear in comparison to so many things that you have already overcome in your life. I just have this great big feeling that the majority of us have been through so much hardship and we've done so many things that really needed us to overcome some fear. And if we can look at that and we can look and acknowledge that we have been through situations that were fearful and come out on the other side, and we've come out okay, then we can look at this starting a fitness journey thing and recognize that it really is a small thing. We're allowing this teeny tiny fear to keep us from being happier and healthier and having a life full of longevity and joy. There is so much growth involved in your fitness journey, and I'm not just talking about on the physical aspect, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. So if you're not starting because you are scared of failure or you are scared of judgment, I'm going to encourage you to, again today, to stop letting that be the driving factor, or stop allowing that to be the factor that keeps you stagnant, that keeps you from taking those steps, because you are missing out. When you overcome the fear, you get it out of your head that it matters what anyone else thinks about your journey and where you're starting, then you can start to progress and you can start to grow and make positive changes in your life. So again, any time this fear comes up and you think about going and you think about taking that step, and then you kind of, I don't know, I'm scared. I want you to think about something else you've gone through that was so much more scary, so much more challenging. And I want you to think about how you overcame it. And now I want you to take it and apply that same momentum to this new situation that is so much less scary. Tackle it, go for it, accomplish it, because you can.